Welcome back to Advanced Class. Lesson 6. Today, we'll explore how to use double colons with mirrored prompts to strengthen your concept and refine image composition. Let's begin with an example. Imagine we want to create a prompt showing 3 generations of a family sharing a meal, capturing the warmth, joy, and emotional bond of family togetherness. However, because the relationships among the people and the overall setting are quite complex, MidJourney sometimes struggles to interpret this scene correctly. Also, since the word 3 appears early in the prompt, its influence tends to dominate, so the AI often produces 3 people instead of 3 generations. This is where mirrored prompts come in handy. They help reinforce your intended concept, making the generated result more accurate and emotionally balanced. Think of mirrored prompts as 2 different camera angles, each capturing the same moment from a unique perspective, enriching the story and visual depth of your final image. For example, after your main prompt, you could add another one like young parents and elderly grandparents sitting beside a little boy, 5 family members gathered around a round dining table. Not every image will turn out exactly the same, but your chances of achieving the ideal scene increase significantly. You can also enhance your result by adding camera shot descriptions to each section. For instance, after the first prompt, add close-up shot, and after the second prompt, add wide-angle view. Then, by adjusting the weights or ratios of these 2 prompts, as we discussed in the previous lesson, you can control whether the image feels more intimate and focused, or expansive and cinematic. By mirroring your description of the same scene, you reinforce the visual story you want to tell. At the same time, by using varied camera angles and parameter settings, you can fine-tune the composition, depth, and balance of your artwork. Alright, that's all for today's lesson.